High school tennis at Shadow Valley. St. John's hosting Findlay. First singles, Titans Tyler Wood in the near court facing last year's track player of the year, Max Hosey. Wood comes to the net, gets the winner, but Hosey would take that first set 6-2. In the second, Hosey continuing to play well. Match point, he comes to the net for the winner as Hosey takes it 6-2 and 6-2. His experience paying off against Wood, who is a junior.
I think for sure playing a few more high school matches than he has, but you know, he's a great player and he has experience as well in tournaments and stuff. But I played some battles last year against St. John's, so I think experience did play a big part.
To break down the #1 singles match, we turn to Greg Frankie and Gary O'Connor.
St. John's Findlay in boys tennis is always a very, very good matchup, and Max Hosey, who was the track player of the year last year, back for his senior year, and he won a good match over Tyler Wood, 2-2. But I think the two players were very similar, but just that experience factor, just a little bit more of an advantage for Max.
Yeah, I think the experience definitely played a factor in this, and as the game went on, you could see that he just didn't get rattled. Everything Tyler did, Max was ready for, and that makes a big difference.
There's a couple of key moments in the match, including one marathon point that Tyler won, and then he went on to hold serve after it looked like he was going to be broken. That in a lot of cases might change the course of a match, but Max just simply didn't allow that to happen.
No, he didn't. Tyler battled. Make no mistake, he was a good player and he battled. Just Max was on his game today, and in tennis that can happen where somebody is just on the entire time, and he was.
Yep, Tyler playing his first year at the #1 spot. When he gets that experience at #1, then he'll be in the same situation because he's an outstanding player too. It was good tennis, but Max Hosey winning it 2-2.